My dear students, today I'm going to discuss why NAND gate and NOR gate is called. They are called universal gates. NAND gate and NOR gate both are universal. Why? Because if the basic gates like AND or not available in the market and they are required, what you will do? No problem. NAND gate and NOR gate can act as and or not. How? This is the problem today. Okay, let's start. This is our NAND gate because this is input A, input B, and this circle means this is NOT gate, and after there is a NOT, that becomes the NAND. And Boolean expression is y equals to A dot mean and B, because this is NOT is here, then a bar mean NOT. Okay, and what is the truth table of the NAND gate? If you give 0 and 0, okay, what the AND gives? AND gives 0, 0 mean 0. And what about this NOT is here? That becomes 1. Mean 0, 0 is 0, 0 is 1. Okay, now coming, if it is 0, 1, okay, 0, 1 and gives 0, and there's a NOT, it becomes then, because of NOT, 0 becomes 1. So 0, 1 mean 0, 1 mean 1. Now coming 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 0. If I give 1, 0, then what happens? With 1, 0, and gives again 0, and thus NOT becomes 1. Mean 1, 0 also becomes 1. So lastly there is what? Last is 1, 1. If 1 and 1. 1, 1 mean and gives 1. And this is a NOT. Then it turns to 0. That means 1, 1 it is 0. So this is the truth table of the NAND gate. Output is low if all the inputs are high. Okay, if all inputs are high, then output is low. This is our NAND gate. Now this is called bubbled OR gate. Bubbled OR gate means this is a NOT gate, this is a NOT gate, then we have having OR gate, okay, and its symbol is like this: line, line, bubble, bubble, OR. The same is here. Let's what about the logic. Okay, if I give 0 and 0, that becomes 1 and 1. 1, 1 OR gives 1. Okay, now if here it is 0, 1, it becomes 1, 0. 1, 0, it gives again 1. Okay, now then we are coming if 1, 0. If 1, 0, that becomes 0, 1. It again gives 1. And our last is if 1 and 1. If 1 and 1, it becomes 0 and 0. 0, 0, it gives 0. So what you learn? That 0 0 it is 1, 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 it is 1, 1 1 it is 0. So this table and this table, they are the same. That means NAND gate and bubbled OR gate. This is called bubbled OR gate. Both are the same. Both are equivalent. This Boolean expression is y equals to A and B, then bar, mean not, NAND. This is y equals to, first of all, this is NOT gate, this is A bar, this is, this is A, B, this is NOT, that becomes B bar, and then there is a OR operation, mean this. Okay, mean this is equivalent to or equals to A and B NOT. Remember, very important identity. Okay, NAND gate is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. Similarly, I am giving a question to you. This is our NOT gate. What is NOT gate? We are having 0 0 here. OR gives 0, and this is a NOT, that becomes 1. So that means 0 0, it becomes 1. Now coming, if 0 and 1 mean 0 and 1, that OR gives, OR gives 1, then output becomes 0. Okay. Now then, if it is 1 and 0, 1 and 0 again 1, again NOT, again becomes 0. If 1 1, 1 is here, 1 is here, this is 1, this is again 0. So output is high only in one case, in case of NOR, if both the inputs are low. If both are low, then the output will be high. Here NAND gate, okay, what was the NAND gate? Output is low only if every input is high, otherwise it is high. NOR gate always low but high in one case, if all the inputs are low. This is NOR gate. And one thing you prove yourself, that the NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. Okay? The diagram, this equivalent diagram is like this. This one, and like this. I'm giving you just a hint. If 0 is here, 0 is here. 0 0 it becomes 1 1. 1 1 and gives 1. So I prove this first. You prove all the other three cases. Then if you proved all the three cases for this, then NOR gate will be equivalent to bubbled AND gate. So, the Boolean expression for this is y is equals to A or B, then NOR gate. Here it is, first of all, A, it becomes A bar, this is B, here it becomes B bar, at the output A bar dot B bar. This is Y. So this is equivalent with this. That means A plus B mean NOR is equals to bubbled AND gate. There's a second identity, very, very important in digital electronics. Okay, this was the first identity. Okay, this was the first identity. Bubbled OR gate is equivalent to the NAND gate. Okay, NOR gate is equals to bubbled AND gate. Now how we can realize NOT gate? You are having NAND. Can NAND gives the operation of NOT? Yes. Like here, if both the inputs are connected together, so it means you are giving 0. That means this line is 0, this line is 0. This is AND gives 0. This is NOT gate, it turns it into 1. Okay. Now second, if you give 1 here, this line will be 1, this line will be 1. 1, 1, AND gives 1. And this is NOT, it turns it to 0. So 1 turns to 0, 0 turns to 1. So this is NOT gate. So actually you used the NAND, this gate, and you connected the inputs together. Now this gate behaves like a NOT gate. If you give 0, it turns into 1. If you give 1, it turns into 0. So NAND gate becomes a NOT gate. Now coming here, how NAND gate gives the logic of the OR gate. Okay, this is A, this is B. Now I already proved this NAND gate behaves like input are connected together. It behaves like the NOT gate. So if this is A, it becomes A bar. If this is B, this is also NOT gate, it becomes B bar. A bar, B bar. Now here it is up to here. It is AND. So it becomes A bar dot B bar. Dot means AND. Now then there is a NOT. This one. So this one means a line. Okay. Now according to digital identities, both they are bars and a dot. Applying the De Morgan's theorem, okay, it becomes A double bar and dot turns to plus or B double bar. A double bar cancels, double bar cancels. So it is A plus B. Otherwise you can prove with the help of the logic also. I am giving the hint. If you give 0 and 0, it comes 1 and 1. And gives 1 is a NOT turns to 0. So that means 0, 0 is 0. Now I am coming 0, 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. 0 and 1, it becomes 1. This one becomes 0 because this is NOT gate. 1, 0 and gives 0, but this is a NOT, it turns to 1. So 0, 1 is 1. Now I am coming 1, 0 you do yourself, there's again 1. I am coming to 1, 1. So if 1 is here and 1 is here, 1, 1, NOT gate, it becomes 0 and 0 and gives 0 and this is a NOT, it turns to 1. Okay, so that means 1, 1 goes to 1. Again 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0 0 0, AND gives 0, this is a NOT, that becomes 1. So 1 1 mean 1. So 1 1 mean 1. So this is the logic of the OR gate. 0 0 is only 0. Otherwise, if any of the input is 1, it becomes 1. So I use only the NAND gates. This is NAND, this is NAND, this is NAND. But logic which I am getting at the output, it is of the OR gate. So NAND gate can be used to get OR gate logic. Now then I am coming here. AND gate using the NAND gate. Okay. So first of all, this is one AND gate. Sorry. This is one NAND gate. Okay. After NAND, there is again a NAND, but inputs are connected together. Now it behaves like a NOT gate. Of course, it is NAND, but inputs are connected, so it behaves like the NOT gate. So this is AB. Here the output becomes A and B NOT here. Now then there is a NOT again. So last output becomes A and B again. Because this is again a NOT gate. So I put a again bar. So 2 bar cancels out. It becomes A and B only. That AND gate. Of course you can prove with that the logic also. If 0 is here. This is AND mean 0. This is NAND mean 1. 0 0 to 1. And 1, this is NOT gate, it turns to 0. So 0 0 is 0. Then I prove 1 again. Another logic 0 1. 0 1 mean AND gives 0. NAND, because of NAND it is 1. 1 it turns to 0. So 0 1 is again 0. So 0 0 is 0. 0 1 is 0. Like that 1 0 is 0. Lastly, if it is 1 and 1. If 1 is 1, AND becomes 1. NAND turns it into 0. 0 to it becomes 1 because this is not. So 1 1 is 1. This is the logic of the AND gate. Output is high only if all the inputs are high. So you can have AND gate using only the NAND gates. So one NAND gate, other NAND gate, inputs connected. You prove this one. Very easy. NAND gate's output is like the NOR gate. How? This is A, B. It becomes A invert, B invert because they are the NOT gates now. Then this is a NAND gate. Okay, NAND gate gives A bar because input is A bar. This input is B bar. And this is NAND, mean dot and bar. Okay. After that, there is again a NOT gate. So here the output will be A, B, bar and again bar. And 2 bars cancels. Okay. And what we left? We left only A bar, B bar. Okay, this is bubbled AND gate. Bubbled AND gate is like a NOR gate. A plus B NOR. Already I proved at the start of this video. Bubbled AND gate is the NOR gate. So otherwise you can prove with like 0 0, what happens here, what happens here, what happens here. Okay, then you can prove the same logic. It is a NOR gate, this circuit. where I used 1, 2, 3, 4 NAND gates. Okay. Now similarly, I'm coming, NOR gate is also universal gate. How? If the two inputs are connected, mean if you give 0 here, 0 is, both the line will be at 0, or gives 0, because this is a NOT, 0 turns to 1, that means 0 to 1. Now, if I give 1, that means this line is at 1, this line is at 1, 1, 1, or gives 1, not gives 0. 1 goes to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So this is NOT gate. Mean if you are having NOR gate, this is NOR gate, and input are connected together, it acts like a NOT gate. Now then, here I am using again NOR gates 1 and 2. What about the output here? AB, NOR gate, that becomes, here becomes A or B NOR. This is a NOR gate, at here. Then this is basically a NOT gate, so it becomes A plus B, and this is basically a NOT gate, again a bar. And 2 bar cancels, and the results becomes A plus B, OR gate. Of course, you can do like this, 0, 0, OR gives 0, this is NOT, it becomes 1, 1, this is NOT gate, turns to 0. So 0, 0 is 0. Similarly, you prove 0, 1. What about here? 1, 0. What about here? 1, 1. What about here? And you will see exactly the logic of the OR gate. So using NOR gates, 2 NOR gates, you are having a OR gate. Now lastly here, that this is basically a NOT gate. Okay, so A becomes A bar, B becomes B bar. So A bar, B bar, the NOR gate. The NOR gate becomes, this is A bar plus B bar and this one. Okay, so what about this? Now using De Morgan's theorem, it becomes A bar dot B bar, this whole bar separated into 2 bars. So that becomes simply 2 bars cancels, 2 bar cancels, A and B. Okay, of course you can prove otherwise, like what is 0, 0. 0, 0 NOT gate becomes 1, 1. 1, 1, OR gives 1, but it is a NOR, that means 0, because of this bubble. So 0, 0 is 0. Now if it is 0, 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So 1, 0 is 1, bubble, 1 turns to 0. 0, 1 is again 0. Like that you prove 1, 0. Lastly, what about 1, 1? 1, 1 means 0, 0. 0, 0 means 0. Bubble becomes 1. So 1, 1 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. That's a AND gate logic. Means you are using 1 NOR gate, 2nd NOR gate, 3rd NOR gate, and you are having the logic of AND gate. So this is a last circuit. Like this is E, because this acts as a NOT gate, A bar, B, B bar. This is a NOR gate, A bar plus B bar, like this here. And again there is a, you know what, this is a NOT gate. So lastly here it is A bar plus B bar, this and again this, because of this NOT gate. Second bar, 2 bar cancels, so it becomes A plus A bar plus B bar. So this is, bubbled NOR gate. Okay, this is bubbled OR gate, and at the start of the video I proved bubbled OR gate is actually a NAND gate. You are getting the logic of here, bubbled OR gate, and because that it is equals to NAND gate. So we are having NAND gate using NOR gates. Of course you can prove like if 0, 0 is here, 0 becomes 1, this 0 becomes 1, and 1, 1 becomes NOR gate 0, and 0 turns to 1. So like that I proved like 0, 0 is 1, you prove 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What about the output? And you will notice that will be like a NAND gate. Okay. So thank you very much. I proved. If you having in the market, you are getting NOR gate and NAND gates in the market, but you don't have the basic gates like AND or NOT, no problem. With NAND and NOR, you can have any gate. So that's why NAND and NOR are called universal gates. Okay, thank you very much.